Okay, we've adjusted the mouth. We've taken some out in here. Sanded this down a little more. Took a little bit out back in here. So I think we got the mouth to where it's going to be free enough. So we want to hook it up and check it. But we're going to put our hooks in here. I marked where the one goes. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
Right, it's overwhelming. They're all on Hulu, and there are 5 seasons on Hulu right now, and the 6th season starts in a couple weeks. So you could catch up easily. It's yeah. And I got some flights coming up, so I can knock that out. I feel like it'll be good. It'll be good because we were talking about Miami Vice earlier, and it's like one thing they always show like, oh, Miami Vice counts, but as we were talking a second ago, I was like, wait a second, that was a huge failure. Yeah, cocaine was everywhere. They did nothing. Miami. How did that happen? They look cool. Like, that was important. Where do we think Miami? Like Sleepy Beach time, and all of a sudden they have 4 sports teams. How did that happen? Well, speaking of Al Jackson, former Miami resident, Crockett and Tubbs, did nothing.
We got this and this hooked up, so we're going to check this also.
What have you got there? I'm trying my best. Let me see if I can get a little bit hipper. Tom, I don't want to put any pressure on you, but I got my clock here. I got it set to 15 seconds, Tom. And in 15 seconds, I'd like you to not tell me give them 3.
We're going to take our string and tie it on here.
For cops. You're on the clock. Oh, okay. The popo. Yes. Wait a minute. What's the number? You got 5-0. There you go. Popo 5-0. Is fuzz still happening? I mean, I think it counts. It's not current. Nor is Johnny Law.
So this is just temporarily for now, just to see if it's going to work all right.
Johnny Law. I wasn't ready for Johnny Law. My personal favorite now. But like, Tom, I will give you fuzz. You're right. I did not say what era. I didn't say Scottish speed cop from the 30s. But yes, you can use the fuzz. Now, Tom, while we're talking, like, man, indulge me for a second. The poet laureate, Mos Def, rapper, had a line about a woman's rear end. And he said that it was so fat that you could see it from where? I love this. It was so fat she could see it? You could see it from where would you be situated where you could see this amazing? What is your vantage point? Wow.
Okay.
So it's not clearly distant or something. Well, let's not try to get a hint. Where could you see it from? Thank you, Chick. Yeah. Where would you be where you could be? I'm stumped here. You can see it from the moon. You're much closer than that. It's not a matter of distance so much as it is perspective. Yeah. Yeah. Her ass is so fat. You could see it from. I don't know. I have no idea. Josh, how about the front? Oh, wow, that's clever. It's Tom's response. That is very Isn't that awesome? It's awesome. Yeah. That's great. When you can look at the front.
I think we're going to be okay.
Yeah, it's amazing. And it's a thing. It sounds like, oh, it's a clever thing to say, but like there's some special ones.
It's like I say, you got to make sure you get this mouth correct before you get it all closed up. So you can see we got our spring. We got that hooked up. Mouth is going to work okay there. So we're going to check our string. Make sure we got the right amount of tension on it.
And I walked in, and there was 2 attendants there, like 6 in the morning, and the conversation they were having, the one female subway employee said to the other, she goes, and he wasn't coming for this, and she pointed to her face. She goes, he was coming for this, and she pointed, and she had a wonderful rear end. Yeah. And it was just like, I walked right into that conversation, and they were just like, welcome to Subway. I was like, no, Doc, we continue in this conversation. You can't have a regular driving in the morning, you're talking about, you know that your ass is a magnet. As they say, baby's got back. I do know that one. Oh, sure. That's it. Of course. Gumshoes. That still counts for cops. Detective, private eye on those kind of things. Smoky, that's the whole thing.
Check this, make sure we got the right tension, or we'll have to might have to make some adjustments on this.
Yeah, he's clearly hitting. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, like Smokey Bear.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a little bit. I gotta have to move this back a little bit, so I get a little bit more tension this way.
He was in like one episode a season when they would get out like near the city limits. Does anybody remember? We have to. Somebody get on this, because I'm not making this up. There was a black cop in the Dukes of Hazzard, but he was like.
Yeah, by moving this back, we get a little bit more leverage on the tension.
Okay. Huh.
So we'll work on that, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.